hit the gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to your settings. Then click on the payments option under the product settings. After that, click on the payment method selection. On this page, you may scroll down to search for the UPI. And when you see the UPI payment option, you want to click on it. First, make sure to enable the UPI as one of the payment methods, and you will see the selection to turning on or turning off either the one-time payment and the recurring payment when your customer using the UPI as their payment option. For me, I want to enable or turning on the recurring payment on UPI, then switch on the toggle. And just like that, now my customer can purchase my product using both of the payment types. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.